esfuerzo, tíos. Hay 3 balones en el suelo, 3 balones en el suelo y se han tirado 3 veces ellos.
We know, we knew that it's not easy. Venga, we wanna be back again.
Paciencia y rebote. Paciencia y rebote.
Score every time. We do one foul. Okay, we start to defend the pick and roll in transition too late.
If they score after 3 passes, it's good team. But we need energy and effort to defend the first pass, okay?
More activity. If we are late and we are in this spot, in this tablet screen and we are late, boom, llévatelo por delante, falta, se acabó.
They have 1 point harder than us. They are contacting with us all the time. Play hard, guys. Can we play something? Above the ball. It's the point guard job. Let's see if we can get 3 passes. 3 passes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 passes. Let's see if we can get it.